today has been pretty humid, so it's actually quite a nice day today. During the night, the humidity was really high. So there's a weather station behind me, right? You know, we had that set up, so I was looking at the weather information, right? I was looking at the console. The data from that weather station gets sent to the console, which is in my room, the console. So the weather information gets sent over there to the console, and that goes up on the internet too. So I was looking at the information on the console, and the humidity was like in the 90s. You know what that means? There's a lot of moisture in the air. But the higher the humidity, there's like the more moisture there is in the atmosphere. So that's just like, oh, it was very humid. So I was like, during the night, it was around, the weather station was saying about 99% humidity, like during pretty much the whole night. And by like 7 a.m. or so, the humidity started to get below 99%. So it's been very humid. It didn't reach 100, but you know, usually, the humidity reached pretty much 99%. And if it reaches 100, that's pretty much all the moisture it can take when it reaches like, when humidity gets really close to 100, that's basically telling you that the atmosphere is pretty much at its limit of how much moisture it can handle. So then what happens? Then it rains a little bit, So it rained a little bit today, so now the humidity is more like 75% or so. Right now the humidity is 75%, and the temperatures are around about 64 degrees right now. So, yes, it has been very humid during the night, and also during quite a lot of the day. But, it's pretty comfortable right now. Sure, the humidity is in the 70s, but it's still pretty nice out. So, there's been a little bit of rain today. The last video I did mention thunderstorms. Remember the video Monday? I said something about thunderstorms or something. Guess what? We had no thunderstorms. Apparently that changed. Yeah, forecast, right? They changed. So then we just got some light rain. I didn't really expect too much by Monday. I didn't expect much of a storm Friday anyway. This is all courtesy from Winter Storm Celine. It is a winter storm. I will talk a little bit about what's going on actually now with that storm. There's actually some ice problems that will happen in the Northeast. Not for us. It's more in like New England, It's more like up in the the northernmost section of this country where we are, which is New York southern New York I am in right now. So, like the northern, like in New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine, there's like some ice problems that will happen from this system. We just got some rain. It's just too warm for snow or anything. So we just got some rain. I will talk about that more at the end of the video, but right now, yeah. So anyway, so the barometric pressure as well. The air pressure, I was looking at that too, and the air pressure just kept going down. That's usually what happens for a storm. As a storm approaches, usually the air pressure in your area is probably dropping. Less air pressure, right? It's dropping. Humidity's rising. The storm's coming. The wind probably increased. But this is not much of a storm. The wind didn't really increase anyway. There was like very light winds, like a couple mile per hour or so during the night. So it wasn't much of a windstorm. It's just a little bit of rain. So the air pressure went from 29.91 down to 29.68. So that was at 29.91. That was at around 9:50 p.m. And then 29.68 was what it was at 7 a.m. I looked at all this on the console information. It put you all this information in a nice graph and a nice table to really show you the humidity and everything. Awesome, that weather station. That was in relative barometric pressure. So that was relative barometric pressure. Yeah, so the air pressure went down a lot because of the storm. Barometric pressure went down. That means less air pressure. Air pressure, you know what that is? It's like, basically, it's like you're measuring the pressure of like the air, in a way. I think air pressure, if I remember, it's the force of which air pushes down on you. Because there's air pressure, and there's also pressure in the ocean also has pressure. Water pressure, water pressure. There's also air pressure in like the ocean and stuff. It's like pressure. That's like the water, that's like the air pushing on you. It's how much the air is pushing on you. And we measure that different ways, like millibars and inches and whatnot. We measure it in different units and whatnot. So right now, 64 degrees or so. Winds will increase to 14 miles per hour by like 5 p.m. They'll go down to the mid-30s tomorrow. It'll be sunny. It'll be 60. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty partly cloudy by now, but in the morning it's a little cloudy. It was also foggy in the morning. I forgot about mentioning that. It was also pretty foggy. So it's all that moisture. It's just, yeah. So the winds will be pretty light tomorrow. Oh yeah, I did mention that. That last time I said we were supposed to get a quarter-inch of rain. It turns out we got actually, my weather station reported 0.01 inches of rain, which is like basically not really, which is not much. It was pretty light, the rain anyway. It was pretty light. It wasn't much. Wait. Yeah. So tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. I just talked about tomorrow's weather. So Sunday, Easter Sunday. Yep. Hope you all have a good Easter. So, yeah. Wait. Oh, I see. 60 degrees or so. Partly cloudy. Lows will be in the 40s. Monday, there'll be some rain showers. So there'll be some rain Monday too. I'll probably more on that probably on the video on Monday I'll probably do. So, yeah. Let's talk about Winter Storm Selene. There will be some ice problems. There's going to be the main problem with Winter Storm Selene is there's going to be a whole lot of ice problems, a whole lot of road problems. So there's going to be a lot of road problems with Winter Storm Selene. That is the main threat for Winter Storm Selene. A lot of ice. And I will show you that. I'm going to show you the, there you go, advisories. There's the icing amount. There's going to be some ice problems for Winter Storm Selene. So there's going to be some ice problems during Winter Storm Selene. So there's going to be a lot of ice problems. There'll be quite a bit of ice, and there's just going to be a little bit of ice from the storm. Yeah, so there will also be some snow and whatnot. In the northernmost part of Maine, there will be a lot of snow possible. Yeah. Snow and freezing rain spreads east across northern New England. Moderate to heavy snow will be confined to the northernmost sections of Maine. Gusty winds are possible across the higher terrain in New York State, as well as some coastal sections of eastern New England. So, Winter Storm Selene is still going on. Well, pretty much probably over. By today, it's pretty much gone. There's just a little bit left that is going to happen in Maine. A lot of ice. So, I'll see you in the next video, which is Monday. So.